Hi, my name is Perry, and I do do-it-yourself projects for a hobby. Until now, I lived in an apartment and had to create my projects in the backyard. That means only if it was warm outside. Or in the basement. But the basement is not really comfortable. It's actually even meant to store things. Working with wood also results in a lot of dirt anyways. But now we moved, and I have my own garage. Da-da! I don't want to use it for a car, but I want to turn it into a workshop. And I'm starting from scratch. The garage is still full of stuff that needs to be cleaned out. I will build everything myself or most of it, and this I would like to show you through my videos. So I will build a workbench, hanging systems, and more. I will also do other do-it-yourself projects. I have many ideas and I can't wait to get started. If you also want to build a workshop at home, maybe this channel is something for you. In my videos, you can watch me how I will do it and solve it. By the way, it's actually quite a small garage. It's 5 meters long and 3 meters wide, which is not really much room. So, if you're interested, watch the videos and subscribe to my channel, and I wish you fun watching. And now I have to clean up this place.